Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we will review these Autoart Volkswagen Beetle. It says Autoart Contemporary. Unfortunately it doesn't come with a box, so it comes like this. When I bought it, I got it from Value Village for a very reasonable price, and today we will remove it on the base and I will show it to you guys. It's a 1999 Volkswagen Beetle, and as you can see, the details on this one is nice. Well, of course it's Autoart, and as you guys can see, doors open with some detailing inside, carpeted floor, some flower on the dash. Seats are nice. On the other side, it's the same. Carpeted floor. Let's see the engine. Oh, the engine is on the front. Is this a real Volkswagen Beetle? So the back side is compartment. Yeah. It's carpeted too. Nice. Let's see the front. So the engine is on the front. Why is that? So it has a Volkswagen engine, a 2.0 liter engine, which is very surprising. I'm not familiar with Volkswagen Beetle, but as far as I know, the engine should be in the back. So I don't know what happened to this one. So it has a sunroof. Nice. Yeah. Color, detail, awesome. Emblem. Volkswagen emblem. I'm pretty sure it is an old model from Autoart, but the paint job is still nice except for this scuff right here, which is, can't complain because I got this at Value Village for a very reasonable price, like I said. And as you can see, anything else is perfect. Nice. Awesome. Yeah. Volkswagen Beetle 1992. Hope you guys like it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video and please share it, and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. More videos coming, and see you guys next time. Bye.